7 everyday habits that are silently destroying your prostate, kidneys, and sexual health. Are you guilty? Gentlemen, what if the habits you're doing right now without even thinking are stealing your energy, your confidence, and your health? What if the way you're living is silently damaging your body in ways you won't notice until it's too late? Stay with me, because in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to reveal something that could change your life forever. Welcome to today's video. I'm Dr. Morgan, who's helped thousands of men just like you take back control of their health. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon. You don't want to miss the life-changing health tips I share every week. Picture this. You used to sleep through the night, soundly, peacefully. Now, you're up 2, 3, maybe 4 times, stumbling to the bathroom, exhausted. You used to feel strong, vibrant, in charge. Now you're dragging through the day, feeling off, less like yourself. It's tempting to shrug it off. Stress, age, just life, right? But what if the real culprit isn't what you think? What if right now you're making 7 innocent mistakes that are quietly wrecking your prostate, your kidneys, and your sexual health? These aren't loud, obvious problems. They don't scream for attention. That's why they're so dangerous. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the 7 silent destroyers of male health. I've seen these habits derail even the strongest men. But here's the good news. I'm also going to show you exactly how to stop them and reverse the damage. Before we start, drop a comment below. Have you been feeling off lately? Maybe those late night bathroom trips are starting to worry you. Let's get real and start this conversation. Habit number 1, skimping on water. Let's start with something so simple you might overlook it. Water. Think about your day. Are you chugging coffee, soda, or energy drinks while water's just an afterthought? I see it all the time in men who don't realize they're starving their bodies of what they need most. Your kidneys are your body's filtration system, working non-stop to flush out toxins. Without enough water, those toxins build up, slowly, silently. This can lead to kidney stones, painful infections, or even long-term damage. And your prostate? Dehydration makes urinary symptoms worse, turning those nighttime bathroom trips into a frustrating routine. Here's the fix. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. Keep a water bottle with you, set a reminder if you need to. One of my John started this habit and cut his nighttime bathroom trips in half within weeks. You can too. If this is hitting home, smash that like button. It helps us reach more men who need to hear this. Habit number 2, sitting all day long. Picture yourself right now. Are you at a desk? In your car? On the couch? Hours go by and you haven't moved. It's normal, right? Wrong. Sitting for too long is like putting a chokehold on your pelvic health. Prolonged sitting cuts blood flow to your prostate and pelvic organs. Over time, this leads to inflammation, discomfort, and even prostate issues. And for your sexual health, poor circulation is one of the top causes of erectile dysfunction. The solution is simple. Move. Stand up every 30 minutes. Stretch. Walk around for a minute. One Mike started taking short walks during his lunch break and noticed his energy and confidence soared. Quick challenge. How many hours are you sitting each day? Drop it in the comments. Let's hold each other accountable. Habit number 3, eating too many processed foods. Let's talk about what's on your plate. That fast food burger, those salty chips, that quick microwave meal. They're easy, convenient, but they're also loaded with sodium, unhealthy fats, and sugars that wreak havoc on your body. High sodium foods spike your blood pressure, putting your kidneys under stress. And processed sugary foods, they fuel inflammation, which can hit your prostate hard. Over time, this raises your risk of prostate enlargement or even prostate cancer. You don't need a total diet overhaul. Start small. Swap one processed meal a day for something fresh, a salad, grilled veggies, or lean protein. Add berries or nuts packed with antioxidants that protect your prostate. Tom made this switch and saw his energy levels climb in just a month. Want more diet tips? Subscribe and hit the bell icon for weekly health hacks. Habit 4. Holding your bladder too long. This one's sneaky. You're in a meeting, stuck in traffic, or just too busy to take a break. So you hold it in. Sound familiar? Holding your urine stretches your bladder unnaturally. This weakens the muscles and irritates your prostate, leading to issues like incontinence or infections. And if you're waking up multiple times at night to urinate, it could be a red flag for prostate trouble. Listen to your body. When you need to go, go. And if those nighttime trips are becoming a pattern, talk to a urologist. One of my caught an early prostate issue this way and avoided major problems down the road. If you're finding this valuable, share this video with a friend. Let's help more men take control. Habit number 5, sacrificing sleep. Sleep isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. But so many men are burning the candle at both ends, scrolling on their phones, working late, or binge watching shows. Poor sleep throws your hormones out of whack, including testosterone, which is critical for sexual health and prostate function. Your kidneys also need rest to repair and stay strong. Without it, they are under constant strain. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Set up a bedtime routine, dim the lights, skip screens an hour before bed, and keep your room cool and quiet. One of my Steve started prioritizing sleep and said it was like hitting a reset button on his energy. What's keeping you up at night? Drop it in the comments and let's share some tips. Habit number 6, letting stress run your life. We all know stress is bad, but it's easy to ignore until it takes over. When you're stressed, your body pumps out cortisol, a hormone that can do serious damage. Too much cortisol inflames your prostate and lowers testosterone, hitting your sexual health hard. It also spikes your blood pressure, which overworks your kidneys. You can't eliminate stress, but you can manage it. Try 5 minutes of deep breathing each day, or pick up a hobby. Walking, gardening, even journaling can work wonders. David started daily walks and said it transformed his mood and his health. What's your stress-busting trick? Share it in the comments below. Habit 7, avoiding the doctor. This is the one that breaks my heart. So many men wait until something's wrong to see a doctor, but by then the damage is harder to undo. Regular checkups can catch prostate, kidney, or sexual health issues early, when they're easiest to treat. A simple PSA test or kidney screening could save you years of trouble. Relieved knowing they caught a problem before it grew. Don't wait. Schedule that appointment today. Find a urologist you trust and get a baseline checkup. It's not about fear, it's about owning your health. If this video is resonating, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's keep this conversation going. There you have it. The 7 everyday habits that could be silently stealing your health. But here's the truth. You have the power to stop them. Start with one change, just one. Drink more water, move more, eat better, sleep better, stress less, and don't put off that doctor's visit. Your body is strong, resilient, ready to fight.